What up, people? This is the Nike Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, but before we get into this iconic shoe, make sure you check out the solesupplier.co.uk, turn on release reminders, and that way you will never miss a drop. I'm sure you thought these unboxings were going to slow down because of quarantine, but no, look. Ooh, we still get that early heat in. Unbelievable scenes, Jeff. So the Nike Air Jordan 5 Fire Red was first seen in March 1990 when Michael Jordan himself dropped a 69-point game against the Cleveland Cavaliers. If I'm wrong in that, you can let me know in the description below. You can't let me know in the description because you can't edit. You can let me know in the comments below, but that's what Google says anyway. But this iconic silhouette and this brilliant colorway is back for 2020. Set to release this March, tail end of March, maybe the 25th. Is other places are saying the 27th, but I believe that'll be the US release. EU release should be the 25th. These shoes are unbelievable. Come with a full metallic 3M tongue. You can't quite see it because it's so bright in here, but I'll give it a little, ooh, maybe it'll pick it up, who knows. And then these fire red hits coming on the collar. This is contrasted by the blacked out midsole, premium white leathers all the way across the upper, and then this plastic detailing coming on the underlay. Unbelievable scenes, Jeff. These will be an instant cop for many OG Jordan heads as well as the new people to the game. And I'm not gonna lie, you could probably buy these and make a pretty penny on them for resale, but as per usual, even though we're in quarantine, wear your goddamn kicks, wear them around the house. I am, look, pair of Stussies in house. Might as well just flex while I'm at home. If you want a pair of these, we will leave a link down in the description as to where you could cop a pair. And as I said, March 25th they're slated to release, and these will be going straight on our feet. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. This has been the Nike Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, and we'll see you very soon for another exclusive unboxing. And make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button, guys, because it always helps out the channel. Stay safe out there. We'll see you very soon. See ya.